In our Hindu tradition, we cherish the understanding that the true essence of a person is the atma, the eternal soul that remains unchanged. The cycle of birth and death. Our holy scriptures, the Upanishads, teach us the atma is eternal. It is not born and does not die. It is unborn, eternal, and beyond all material change. As we stand united in our sorrow, grieving the loss of a young, dynamic, a vibrant soul whose life touched many hearts, many lives. In the words of Holy Scripture, Bhagavad Gita, the soul is neither born nor does it die. It is unchanging, eternal, and beyond the grasp of mortal existence. That's the chapter 2, verses 20 of our Bhagavad Gita. Although our hearts are heavy with grief, let us find comfort in the belief that Rajiv's soul is beyond all pain and sorrow, resting in the divine embrace. In Uganda, we say, tufunze ekiso kyokuyamba kukisa ekirabika obulungi bw'okuwa ekitwe n'okwebaza ab'ekika kyaffe. We come together to celebrate the good deed of our brother Rajiv, to show respect and gratitude.